our friend unfortunately took a slide, braked right here, slid all the way down, and we are trying to set up a winch setup to get him out.
Oh, hold on,
so we're hooking us up to this tree to keep us from sliding. So we've got Justin's
Bob, we're about to pull.
trailer down there. The line comes here, snatch block to the tree.
Yeah?
Goes
So
up
you know what the problem is?
to
You're on the wrong trail, Justin.
our
He told
car.
him to turn right. We all
are
heard it.
hooked to that tree.
I think he thought you were up there at that one.
Yeah. All right, Justin, it's time to get your 8274 winch. Come on.
So we've gotten Justin as far up this hill. Now the angle changes, so we're gonna brace him on this tree so we can reconfigure the winch lines. So from here, we're just gonna straight tug him. Second.